the Frozen Food family. We are making chicken maroon.
Close. We are making chicken Marengo. Have you ever had that before?
No.
No. We are eating our way through this book, 1,000 Foods to Eat Before You Die. We're in the French section, and this is a dish that was originally made for Napoleon. We're gonna start. We've got these 4 awesome chicken breasts. We've got a little bit of flour, salt, and pepper mix, and we are gonna coat those buddies up.
That is weird.
Now it's shaking.
It kind of looks like Turkish delight now.
I wouldn't eat it raw chicken. Right, Miles wanted to shake one too. Nicely done, sir. Nicely done.
Okay, so we're gonna saute. I was listening for that sound, but it's the sound that we want. We're gonna saute. These are thick breasts. I hope they're not too big.
It's a big chicken.
I know.
Got a 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil.
It said 2 minutes. I'm gonna bump it up a little bit since these are so large.
What are you doing?
I am thinly slicing these portobello. And now that I'm doing it, part of me is wondering if I was supposed to have bought the baby bellas, the little ones that we often buy, but I bought the big ones, so I don't know.
Alright, so that's been going another 3 minutes, and now what are you adding in? Those portobello?
Yeah, and you know, I said maybe I should have bought the small ones, but it only called for 3 to 4, and I'm sure that 3 to 4 little mushrooms would not have been enough. So this looks good. It's just gonna get kind of nestled in here and go into a 350-degree oven for probably 10 minutes.
That's right, you're gonna lose your shallots.
Okay, a little peek.
Alright, we pulled it out.
I'm just gonna take a
These
little
are
peek.
really thick, so we want to make
Pretty
sure.
sure it's
cooked
raw.
through?
No,
Yeah.
not at all.
Oh, alright. Well, keep going.
Yeah.
So we're getting the next bits ready. We had a can of peeled tomatoes whole, and then we had to chop it, and we were debating, why do we have to chop? Why don't we just get
bought
chopped?
the diced tomatoes.
The diced. But I guess those aren't diced. They're chopped. So. Uh-oh, you burned yourself? Ouch. It's ice on there. Alright, so we actually had to cook this chicken quite a bit longer to make sure that it was cooked all the way through. But it is no longer pink in the middle. Took us about 25 minutes. I think our problem was we just had chicken breasts that were just too big, and we should have cut those down. But we're going to remove the chicken. Alright, chicken's removed, and we've got this back up to high heat, and we are adding some shallots.
The garlic is in there too.
And garlic and dried thyme.
Do you have that time?
To listen to me whine. That's next. The wine.
We got it.
Alright, now we're going to add some red wine, some Syrah from France.
So we want this, you have it on high? Okay. We want this to reduce by about half, and I'm using this turner to scrape up any bits that got stuck on the pan. We know that's flavor, so.
Alright, that's reduced, and now we're adding tomatoes.
That is
And the demi-glaze and water we mixed. We're going to bring that back up to a simmer and cook that for about 4 minutes. All right, the final step was to add the chicken back in and simmer again for about a minute or so with the chicken inside with all these goodies.
Turn it up and down.
We'll see you at the table. All right, wow, that really does turn out to look pretty good. We got a crunchy crouton on the side and two boys ready to dive in and give it a try. All right, Elliot looks like he's got a little bit of a grumpy face.
I can do it first.
Why are you worried, Elliot?
She put gigantic mushrooms into this. I do not like mushrooms. I despise them. Why are you doing that to my chicken?
Step back, please.
You didn't try the orange part. You didn't try
Wow.
the part.
It started off bad, but it's actually pretty good. I'm not lying.
All right, that's good.
I mean, I didn't even taste mushroom.
Maybe that's because you didn't stack it up with the mushroom.
You did. Here, why don't you put the mushroom in your mouth?
For some.
That's the tomato.
Yeah, this is the like. So.
Elliot, you already tried it until you liked it.
Yeah.
Why do you still look so forlorn?
He just wants to go to bed so Santa can get home.
Ah, dang it! Why? Trying to put all this stuff onto this.
Miles likes it with that crusty crouton bread, don't you? Eating chicken and tomato and portobello mushrooms.
I think I like the white mushrooms. White mushrooms, but not the black ones.
All right, so I really like this dish. Just a good quality chicken dish with the mushrooms weren't just really nice, and the tomatoes were sweet, and the wine sauce, the Syrah we got was just a really nice, good, hearty dish for families or dinner parties or whatever. I give it a thumbs up. It's almost Christmas, but when you watch this video, it'll already be Christmas.
I think this chicken dish was really satisfying. It's a good thing to make on a cold evening. I think that the pieces, the size of the chicken pieces does make a difference if you're following the recipe. And I think if we had smaller pieces, we would have got a little more browning, which I think is always good for looks and flavor. But it came together quick and it was very good. Yeah, I liked it.
What is it?
I do not like it with like big pieces of mushroom. Then it just goes.
But overall, you thought it was okay?
Yep.
Any final thoughts on it?
Not really. It's just good. Not very good with a giant chunk of mushroom.
All right, well, thanks for watching, everyone. If you want to see more videos of us eating our way through this book, 1,000 Foods to Eat Before You Die, please like or subscribe. What is it, buddy? Okay, final thoughts from Miles.
It was good. Everything was good.
Everything was good. All right.
And click that bell so you will know, hit the notification so you will know whenever we have a new video.
Yeah, that's right. All right. See you next time, guys.
See you next time.
This is what my mom told me to do. She literally did this to me.
Come on, Miles.
Smile. All
Bye,
right.
Miles.
Bye.
Bye.